Okay, so here is the English tip for Lesson 10. I just want to remind you before you submit any assignments, templates, even your discussion board, to read through it and make sure you have the right punctuation, which means you end all sentences with either a period, exclamation point, question mark. All sentences start with a capital letter, and the next thing is spelling. Sometimes I see spelling errors, which can be caught if it doesn't work to use the template that you downloaded, use spell check and copy and paste into a Word document. And once again, you all have Word through the Microsoft Office suite that was free to all students. So I'm going to hide my face just so you can focus on this and not be distracted by the corner. In looking at this, if I were to write type the thing that made it difficult, and I spelled difficult wrong and it automatically changed it for me. And it says, oh, do you want to change it back to difficult? No, because that was the wrong spelling. It needs two F's. The thing that made it difficult was all of the information I couldn't, maybe I spelled this wrong, remember, and that one automatically change the remember. So if it can tell what you're trying to type, it will autocorrect. If not, it's going to underline it with a red squiggly line if it's spelled wrong. And so here, if I click on that, it shows me, oh, do you want to change it to couldn't? Because that's the correct way. Yeah, and it automatically changes it for me. The other thing that I see a green squiggly. So red is when it's a spelling word, a word that needs to be spelled differently. Green is grammar. So if you look at that sentence, you can tell why they have it green. So it's the first word of a sentence. So if you click on it, it needs to be capitalized. It recommends going from a lowercase t to an uppercase T. So then I'm like, yeah, let's change that. So I know that's simple and short, but I promise you, using the tools that are in Microsoft Word will help you catch those errors, spelling and grammar errors. If you find that difficult, email me with questions and I can help. Another thing, like I said, is just rereading what you typed. Sometimes we get in such a hurry and we type it all in and submit it, but if we would just read through it all, we'd catch some of those errors and be able to fix it before we submit. I hope that was helpful, and if, like I said, let me know what other questions you have, or if you have any suggestions for an English tip. Thanks, everyone.